because it's time to start. So never mind. Those things we can explore later. Okay. Hi, children. Today is actually our second lesson. And of course, there is this instruction here to remind all the Monday classes students that next Monday is actually Chinese New Year. So Chinese New Year, they don't have class. So it will be pushed to Saturday, 4:30 p.m. There is a class on Saturday, right? Or is it Rakshan, yours is on a Sunday 4:30, is it? Saturday 4:30 or Sunday 4:30?
I want Sunday. So this is the Sunday class now happening.
This is the Sunday class, is it? Let me, because I'm looking at this screen. Let me find.
Yeah, this is the Sunday
Oh, yes,
class.
yes. Children, it is the Sunday class. It is a Sunday class, okay? So not a Saturday class, all right? Okay? Okay, so let's go on. All right. Oh, hi, Nicole. You raised your hand. Okay, let's get into our lesson. I am still trying to admit people because people are coming in, so it's taking time. Okay, all right. Now, children, you already know how to annotate, right? I have Lavon and I have Nicole. So, okay, maybe Nicole, you take the first one, and Lavon, you take the second one, and let's.
Why's my screen like that?
Why is, yeah, I don't know why your screen is like that, but are you able to see my screen? So long as you're able to see my screen, you'll be able to participate. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, I think we have Vian as well. So Vian, your hand is raised as well. Maybe you do see hand. So we will look at what did we say? Nicole doing A, Lavon doing B, and Vian doing C. Are you able to get your annotation out? Because nobody is writing anything.
It's easy. You can also write.
Yeah, it's easy. That's why I'm hoping that y'all can quickly write it. Yes, I can see Rakshan with his dot. Lavon, okay, so Lavon can annotate. Ariano can annotate. Vienna can annotate. Okay, so all of you can annotate. Except Nicole. Nicole, you are not able to annotate now. What happened? Okay, I tell you what, while Nicole is still, can ready. Okay, so just now we were saying Nicole do A, Lavon do B, and who was it? Oh dear, I got lost. Vienna do C. Okay, can you all just fill it in, and then we will check our answers. Nine, 3, 6, 7. That's correct. That's correct as well. Good job. Vienna? Okay, well done, the three of you. So basically, if we want to round to the tens place, I just block out the ones. If I want to do the second one, the hundreds place, this is like a shortcut. You want to do a hundreds place, you just block out the tens and the ones. And then you want the thousands place, you block the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. And then that's actually our answer. A very quick way to get our answer. All right. Okay, let's move on to our second question.
I didn't do that.
Yes, of course. Yeah, we can also do the proper way. Yeah. So now let's look at this question. Okay, we have many people. I think Rakshan has raised his hand. So Rakshan, can you do A? Viana, your hand is still up. So Viana, you can do B. Do I have other participants? Anyone raising the hand? Let me see. So far, Ariano. Ariano, can you do C? Lavon, can you do D? Okay. We have 4 people.
Somebody's doing mine.
Oh, somebody's doing yours. Who is doing yours?
Somebody put 2 on mine.
Okay, you just ignore that one and you write on yours.
Let me put wrong. This one. Wait, is it? Oh yeah, sorry.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, I know we are all struggling with the writing. Don't worry. So long
I
as
think I put text easier.
we are able to read, okay?
Then text. I said text. Yeah. What?
Okay, so far I think this is Levon's 46,000 is already correct. Ariano has also finished. She's correct as well.
Is this correct?
Oh, somebody type in 737. Rakshan, is it? That's
Yeah.
correct. Yes. And Viana is doing this one. Okay, I know she's struggling with the handwriting. 2850. Well done. Okay, now because these are the easy questions, right? So we will not waste time to repeat. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on to our next question then. Let me remove the handwriting and then, okay. Now let's see whose hands are raised. Do I have anybody's hands who are raised? Oh, some of your hands never come down. Okay, let me see. I have who? Zafira. Okay, Zafira, you can do A. Whose hand is up? Levon can do B. Rakshan's hand is up. C. Ariano D. Okay. Then the rest, I think we will have to wait because yeah, too many hands are up already.
Yes. What is this? 96 minus 12. Oh.
Okay.
18.
Zafira is correct.
I think mine's correct. Let me see. Okay. I think it's correct. Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, Ariano is correct. Levon is correct. Rakshan is correct. Okay, well done. Okay, because the our handwriting, right, not very clear. So this one has 3 zeros. It is, yeah, these 3 are the 3 zeros. Okay, so we just make it a little cleaner. Okay, 67,000 for D. All right, well done. Okay, let's move on. Okay.
Somebody need to erase it.
I will just clean away. Yeah. Okay, now we come to something else. So just now it was addition and say again. Just now we were talking.
Somebody do mine.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay, never mind. So now let's see how. Okay, now we want to do conversion now. So I hope you can remember your conversion. For meters to kilometers, you need 1,000 meters before you can get 1 kilometer. Okay, so basically that's what the conversion is all about. So with this, let's see who would like to answer. Anybody wants to answer? Children, you all have to stop your hand first. Put down first, then raise again. If not, the hand is forever up. I don't know who to call. Okay, Viana, can you answer this? Okay, we are looking at Viana. Okay, she's writing 6, 8. 3, 0, 6, 4. Okay, do we have anyone who wants to comment on this?
Me.
Yes, Rakshan, is it?
It's wrong.
It's wrong. Okay, what is wrong about this? Okay, stop playing with the little ticks, okay? Yeah, hold on. Let's find out what is wrong about it.
The wrong is there must be 683064.
But there are 5 digits here. So where is the missing digit?
I can tell. The
At the
missing digit is 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 8 kilometers is equal to 600. I mean, wait. I think I write it.
Okay, you write it. Yeah. Okay.
I actually put it wrong.
Okay. Let's see exactly what is the problem. Okay.
And my space.
Where's your answer?
I'm just.
Oh, okay.
I just want to put space.
Okay.
Meters. So you put 64 at the last. So it's 683064.
Okay, well done. Okay, so Vienna, actually what you can do is this, you can always check because you need 1000 meters to get 1 kilometer, right? Then you look at this. This part is only 64. That means because you need 1000, so you need a hundredths place. The hundredths place is missing. Notice the hundredths place is missing. So there should be a 0 there actually. So if you had squeezed that 0 there, your answer would have been correct already. It will be 683,064. Okay? All right? Yeah, so all of us are learning from here. Okay, so let me change the screen first. Okay, that was okay. Let me.
The annotation is still the, I think I need clear. Yeah.
Okay. We have one more. Okay. All your hands are still up. Okay, Levon then. Since yeah, Levon, you haven't answered, so you answer this one. One, 0, 2, 9, and then 74. Okay, well done. Good job. Okay, because what we know is that you need 1000, right? So actually we can cut this part. Okay, we can cut this part, yeah? Because this is the part only up to hundreds. This will never make it into the kilometer. Yeah, so you do not need to write the 0. So you just write 74. And then the other part, the 1029 is definitely in the kilometers. Okay, so well done. Okay, I think we are going to go on to something that is even harder.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have this. Who has been playing with the annotation? Okay, good. Okay, now whose hand is raised? It's the same hands again. Okay, Rakshan.
Centimeter. Wait, let me write.
Yes, let you write. Okay.
One of this wrong. So meter is. Let me convert this into meter first. One.
Okay.
Oh, somebody's drawing.
Nicole. I noticed today you've been writing a lot of other things, but you're not helping us with our math. So Nicole, you must raise your hand to help us answer questions. Yeah. Okay.
Is meters. This is 40.
Okay, children, for those of you who are wondering what Rakshan is writing, he hasn't finished with the answer. I think he's doing the very first part, where he is writing them in meters and centimeters first. And we already have that part